gonna get to the banana? I don't know, Boots. We should be there soon. Peep, peep, peep. I think the baby bluebird is hungry too. Peep, peep, peep. If you see any bananas, say bananas.
Bananas.
You see bananas?
Yes.
Where?
On the tree.
The bananas. Yeah, we made it to the bananas. All right. Yum. I'll climb up and get some.
You're not allergic to
How
bananas.
many bananas do we need? Let's see. One for the baby bird, one for you, and one for me. 1, 2, 3. 3 bananas. How many bananas do we need?
3.
Okay, 3 bananas. Is this enough?
No.
Is this enough?
No. One more.
Is this enough?
Yes. Boots.
Yes?
1,
1, 2, 3 bananas.
Pizza,
3
Mom.
bananas. Peep, peep, peep. Good going.
Pizza.
Thanks for helping. Yum. Delicioso. Did you hear that? Boots, we better watch out for Swiper the fox. Yeah, that sneaky fox is always trying to swipe our stuff. We're not gonna let him take our bananas. No way. If you see the fox, yell Swiper.
Swiper!
You see Swiper?
Yes.
Beep. Where?
Right there.
In the bush?
Yes, he's in the bush.
Beep, beep, beep. How to stop Swiper? You have to say, Swiper, no swiping. Say it with us. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
That was close.
Oh, I missed
Thanks
it.
for helping us.
You're welcome.
We almost swiped our bananas. Hey, where did the baby bird go? Swiper must have scared her. Baby bird! Pajarito!
Paparito?
Did you see which way the baby bird went?
Baby bird's this way.
This way?
She is hiding in the flowers.
Thanks. Come on. Baby bird! Pajarito!
She's in the flowers.
Where are you? ¿Dónde estás?
I think baby bluebird is in the flowers.
Oh, this is awful.
She's hiding in the
Find her.
flowers.
Let's stop and think. How did we find the baby bird when she was hiding in the bush? She went beep, beep, beep. Right. Maybe if we're real quiet, we can hear her go beep, beep, beep again. I need your help. Listen to the sounds to help us find the baby bird.
There's a bee.
Cricket, cricket.
A cricket? And a frog.
Beep, beep, beep. I know. She's behind the leaf.
No, that's a bee.
Sorry,
Saying buzz. Buzzy, huh?
that's not the baby bird. Cricket, cricket. Beep, beep, beep. Where is the baby bluebird hiding?
The flowers?
Behind the flowers?
Yes.
Is there timers on everything?
Beep, beep.
No.
Oh,
go ahead.
she's crying.
No,
Here
go.
she
Just put
is.
timers on,
The
or tell me
fox
what time.
really scared her. That's so mean. It's okay, baby
How much
bird.
longer on the
Está
chicken? How
bien.
much-
Está bien.
What else am I doing?
Peep. She's still crying. How can we cheer her up? I know.
Boots, do the monkey dance.
That's funny. This is my Thank you for helping us find her. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
We've got to get this baby bird home to her mommy. Where do we go next? Banana.